Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 8 and let me share with you how to reset all settings on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we need to scroll down and localize the option General Management and tap on it. Then let's tap on Reset and here choose Reset All Settings. So here your device is informing you that it will reset all settings except security, language, accounts, personal data, and settings for downloaded apps. So if you're ready, just tap on Reset Settings, confirm everything with your screen lock. And here we've got the additional information that this operation cannot be undone, and to apply new settings, your phone will restart. So if you're happy with this, simply tap on Reset and now wait until it will be finished. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.